This was me every time I went out to the beach with my family. We can all relate having to carry a mountain of items across the sand. That was one of the situations that got me thinking of a multi-purpose carrier to help make our lives a little bit easier.
That is why I invented the E-Rover. The E-Rover is a lightweight, transformable, adaptable carrier designed to replace all those job-specific carriers that have saturated the market today.
I designed the E-Rover to consolidate all your carriers into one package. With just a few simple and intuitive adjustments, the E-Rover simply and quickly transforms from one form into another, and another, and another. With a sophisticated design to fit your lifestyle and thoughtful engineering that provides strength and durability, the E-Rover is built to look good, be versatile, and work hard. Stand it up in any closet or slide it underneath your bed. Light enough to pick up and pack in the trunk of your car. I created the Earth Rover so it can assist you and I in everyday life adventures. Now you can load your cooler, tackle box, and fishing rods all in the E-Rover, making the walk to the pier easier and stress-free, so you can focus on the things that really matter. For the weekend warriors, you'll likely find yourselves buying supplies and materials for your home projects. Getting those bulky items from your truck into your house, condo, or apartment is always a burden. At least, it used to be. And since our family enjoys having picnics and bike rides, now we can load and go with the E-Rover. So no time is wasted, we make less trips and have more fun. We have been working for more than 2 years developing E-Rover and getting it ready for production. Our engineers have worked tirelessly to bring this unique and functional product to life.
Help us take E-Rover to the next level by contributing to our campaign, and we will do our part in making sure you have an E-Rover of your own. Thank you for your support.
Our company, Elevated Mechanics, is a Colorado-based company which specializes in striking and innovative smoking accessories. Our passion is functional and sophisticated designs which enhance and perfect the smoking experience. We stand for quality with elegance, and our products are designed to last for years to come. Our lead product, the Omni HV, sparked a revolution in smoking accessories. Many products claim to be the all-in-one smoking accessory, but none can compare to the quality, design, functionality, and durability of the Omni HV. It has all you need to get the most out of your smoking experience. The poker will clear those obnoxious clogs. The scraper will keep your smoking gear residue-free, providing a cleaner taste and reducing maintenance. The press keeps the product firmly tamped. Say goodbye to the days of dirty lighters. In fact, the Omni HV has a lighter slot to carry a standard mini lighter, which can be used from the exterior of the device. The Omni HV has more tricks up its sleeve. It opens to reveal a state-of-the-art grinder, meticulously designed to produce the perfect grind every time. It can be packed to the rim, and with little effort will create that perfect grind thanks to the Omni HV's lever action. Inside, you'll also find an emergency use screen holder and hemp wick spool. Hemp wick is used to light your smoking products to avoid penetrating the product with butane. This gives the smoker a smoother and cleaner taste. We don't just talk quality, we build it. The Omni HV is sculpted from high-quality aluminum and is anodized to increase durability and aesthetic appeal. And the tools are machined from stainless steel. In 2014, we debuted our introductory product, the Omni HV, to an overwhelming response. Everyone that got their hands on the product was stoked to have it. We were able to raise enough funds to run a small production batch that was incredibly successful. And now we're at the point where we need to expand, reduce our cost, and most importantly, bring our newest version of the product to you. Welcome to the Omni 2.0, a sleeker and more effective version of the original product. We are always working to find ways to improve our products. On the Omni 2.0, we've carved an access point into the spool chamber and knurled the spool's exterior. This allows you to retract your wick into the device without having to open it. On the side of the device, the dispensing feature has been improved for easy retrieval and rewind. The Omni 2.0 will also include a stowaway chamber. The grinder easily turns to deposit your ground product thanks to its unique design. Underneath, the screen holder and spool are combined as one, and the screen holder now fits most screen sizes comfortably. Both chambers are carefully designed to allow upcoming accessories that will release for the Omni 2.0, enhancing the experience it provides. The Omni 2.0 will also come in brilliant colors. You can customize your color options online or find standard options at your local shop. We want to provide more bang for the buck. The funds that you provide us in this campaign will allow us to manufacture a large production run of the Omni 2.0. This in turn will allow us to reduce our production costs and pass those benefits on to the consumer. We are creating a more feature-rich, aesthetically pleasing version of the original, all while providing more value to you. We will also use any stretch funds we may receive to increase our presence by adding greater functionality to our website, produce upgrade kits, design additional products, and debut products at trade shows. If you are excited by the Omni HV, we can't even wait to show you what we have in store. Before it even hits stores, when you reserve your copy of the Omni 2.0, we will ship it when production finishes in late 2016, well before the general public receives it. Our designs for this product are ready for production, and we are confident that they will create a new revolution within the smoking accessory market. Your financial commitment will enable us to reach these goals. Join our mission, join Elevated Mechanics, and join the revolution.
Everyone loves traveling. We all love to explore the amazing place around the world, and most importantly, shopping. We all want to pack every souvenir or anything we bought into the luggage, but we all face the same problem when we pack. No matter how you organize, the size of them will still be too much. In the end, we cannot put everything in the luggage but make ourselves tired. Oh, and the dirty clothes that's sticking up during the trip. We don't even want to mix it with new clothes, or maybe there is no space for it already. Hello Indiegogo, I'm Jennifer. As a traveler, we are thinking about how to make more space in the luggage. And after our research, we found out clothes, bags, and other sort of things occupy more than 50% of the luggage for a 5-day trip. So that's why we create Vago, a miracle solution of making more space in a very short time. We only need to do is to put our clothes into Vago bag. Think about it. Put on Vago, plug in power, and push the button. Vago will automatically shrink your clothes. You can enjoy your time in the hotel or any other place while Vago is doing its job. Don't worry, this intelligent Vago will automatically stop when the process is finished. The only thing you need to do is put in the shrunk vacuum bag into your luggage. You can also use portable battery to recharge Vago. We believe this convenient design could make shopaholic to buy more. Remember those dirty clothes? Vago vacuum bag could prevent smelly smell and germ, so you can keep luggage clean and use more space efficiently in the same time to make your overall trip even more convenient. So we use the general micro USB cable for the recharge design. Create extra space for your luggage to let every space count. Currently, Vago will have 4 colors and will have more color collection in the near future. Each Vago will come with vacuum bag for clothes and soft stuffs. Now Vago is in the modeling design process, and we have a really great team to make it even better. We will appreciate if you can support and pledge this product. And we are sure Vago can make your trip more relaxed, more convenient, and let you bring more souvenir and memory home. Thank you for watching.